Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Zain Zia, and my group members are Tahiruddin and Imran Ashar. And the topic of our presentation is the global outages caused by a CrowdStrike software glitch. On July 19th of this year, several Microsoft services were significantly affected and suffered an outage. These services affected millions of users worldwide. The cause of these outages was traced to a software glitch in CrowdStrike's Falcon sensor system, and this glitch resulted in widespread blue screen death errors across multiple Windows systems in multiple industries. This event emphasized how fragile modern infrastructure is and the importance of robust security and reliability protocols in cloud environments. The incident was triggered by a CrowdStrike software update, and that update introduced a bug which caused system crashes and errors. This was not the result of a malicious attack, however, it exposed some key vulnerabilities in Microsoft's infrastructure. The threat type was a software glitch, not a cyber attack. The vulnerabilities exposed included the following: compatibility testing gaps, which means the software was not tested properly before release, which led to some major failures. And then we have over reliance on external security solutions, which is on a single solution specifically, as in the dependence on CrowdStrike without depending on other systems led to exacerbating the issue. And finally, the lack of an early detection system means the failure could not be caught in time before it induced errors and crashes. This glitch caused widespread outages across multiple industries like banking, healthcare, and transportation. And some notable impacts are over 1,800 flights cancelled in the United States, plus many more in other countries, and disruptions to services in healthcare, like hospitals and more other government sectors that rely on Microsoft products. And finally, there were significant financial losses to businesses which were using the affected services. Microsoft and CrowdStrike both took action immediately to address the issue and help in resolving the crashes. However, long-term measures are required to prevent such incidents from recurring. The short-term countermeasures included emergency patches by CrowdStrike, who rolled back their faulty update and deployed patches to help stabilize the affected systems. And enhanced support was provided by both CrowdStrike and Microsoft, and that support included recovery guides and communication channels to help in reducing the effect of the outage and in recovery. Long-term mitigation techniques that can be applied for this issue are load balancing, which, which means balancing the load across the cloud services can help prevent too much load on one service, and this may prevent other incidents. Then we have fault tolerant mechanisms, which include two things. First of all, we should have adaptive fault detection as well as migration techniques, so we can shift workloads to other systems before they cause any failures. And secondly, we should have redundancy so that services can continue working as usual even if one system fails. Next up, we have automated monitoring systems, which can help detect signs of instability, which allows us to preemptively stop crashes before they can escalate to such high scales. Then we have virtualization as well as network fragmentation. Virtualization helps to isolate individual failures so they don't have a knock-on effect and end up affecting the entire system. And network segmentation similarly helps to limit failures by containing them within specific sections and preventing them from affecting entire system. Regular software updates and optimization of resource allocation based on workload could prevent system exhaustion, which in turn prevents more blue screen errors. And further, there should be incident response plans tailored for blue screen incidents so that we can ensure quick recovery and low rates of disruption during a failure. And finally, both providers and users should undergo training to recognize and respond to blue screen errors effectively. This outage demonstrates how important it is to test products thoroughly, as well as the importance of early detection systems and fault tolerant mechanisms. In the future, services will become even more interconnected, so it is increasingly important for organizations to implement incident response plans and improve their monitoring systems continuously. In conclusion, the CrowdStrike software glitch shows us that we need resilient cloud architectures. Integration of mitigation techniques like load balancing, automated monitoring, virtualization, and failover mechanisms is necessary to prevent similar incidents from happening in the future. The focus must be on continuous improvement and incident preparedness to safeguard critical services. As businesses continue to rely on cloud services, ensuring the resilience of these systems is crucial for preventing future outages. And the Microsoft outage serves as a reminder of the role that cybersecurity plays in maintaining stability of modern services. And finally, you can see the references we use to get information about the CrowdStrike glitch, and that was all about our presentation. Thank you.